So it's finally here, my wish list philodendron, the iconic Patriciae. Can't believe I actually found it. It's been a bit tough to get your hands on. So let's get into it, let's unbox it, and let's see if it survived the journey. So I got this online. I ordered it online from a seller. I have been on the WhatsApp group for a while now, and they are on Instagram, they're on WhatsApp, and I just randomly happened to see a Patriciae on their listing over the weekend. Friday, I ordered it last Friday, and Saturday they dispatched it, and I got it today on Monday. So that was very quick, very nice time to deliver, I would say. Also considering it's rainy season now, it's monsoon, and I thought this is the right time before it get in the whole proper monsoon bit of it and your packages get stuck. I should order it right away, and that's what I did. I'm just gonna start opening it and we'll talk more about it as we get inside. So the packaging looks a bit damaged, so I don't want to kind of put this back, but it has been pressed in some way, so it's got a bit of force applied on it in some manner, I feel. Let's check. Just gonna be careful. Okay, here we are. Little sneak peek. In terms of packaging, it's okay. It's not the hardest kind of a roll inside. Typically these are a bit sturdier, and it's just kept like that here inside. Okay, so that's a smallish pot. I thought there's some pest inside in the soil dropped down. Okay, just a little sneak peek of what we can see. Okay, let's just open it, I guess. This also. Ta-da! Not bad, really. There's a new leaf here, this one, some bits. Okay, so here we have it. This is the plant I ordered. This is exactly the plant which was shown to me in the video. Originally there was a different plant, to be honest, which was listed, but it was sold out. So the seller told me they will look for another one from their collection and get back to me. And very immediately they got back with this one, and I agreed to buy this. Though if you notice, these leaves are on their way out, if I can say, or damaged, if not on the way out. Even this one, and I knew it when I saw it, but the only reason I took it is because it was pushing out this new leaf, and overall because you see the smaller leaves here at the bottom, it just looks stable to me that it has upsized itself. And considering this is the last leaf, which is decently medium, and this one, the way the length of the new bud is, I assume that it's gonna size up if it of course gets the right conditions with me. Let me open this bit too. Okay, I'm gonna open the rest of the bit later in the sink because I don't want to create a mess. But just a bit about this plant. This has been really the most sought after pendant shaped philodendrons, also with velvety leaves. So it gives very anthurium kind of vibes to me, like Anthurium pallidiflorum sort of, almost, if I have to say. It kind of gets like that, and I'll try and insert some pictures. But these can get really tall and the leaves can get really long, and the way they sway when they are hanging like that in the pendant form, this looks very pretty, very beautiful. And the whole process of the leaf unfurling and the way it climbs on moss poles, it just looks very nice. Now that is one concern for me, that this is sort of a plant which needs a moss pole or a support, and I am not good with that at all. I'm really bad with moss poles and sphagnum moss and keeping it moist. None of my plants at all have ever survived if I put them on a moss pole. So I'm not going to do that maybe very immediately. Anyway, it's too small a pot right now, and I don't know if it needs an upsize yet. Like, should I be repotting it right away into a new pot? I don't know, I'm not sure. Just wanted to adjust first, want to treat it for pests first, and then probably think about repotting it if at all. But I will have to check the soil. I think right now it's just in some cocoa chips, so it may not be the best medium for a long time. So I ordered this on the weekend and I actually got it in like 3 days, which is pretty cool. That's a good lead time for delivery. I mean, I don't mind. I could get used to that. If I order something and I get it in like 3 days, nothing like it. So happy about that bit from the seller. Packaging, of course, could be slightly better. I'm not like upset about it because it didn't do any damage. This is the kind of plant which I did select, that this bit of damage was there when I selected it, so I'm okay with that. So overall, happy with this purchase. This would definitely need a process of acclimatization in my house, and again, this is something to do with the monsoon. I thought right now the humidity levels will be better than otherwise in my home. So because I don't plan to keep it in my cabinet, I mean, most of the plants I buy them with the confidence that I'm going to keep them in the cabinet and they'll get the humidity they need and it'll be all fine. But I don't think I have space for this plant in the cabinet, though I will try. Maybe I will see if I can make some space, because I did remove one other plant just today from the cabinet, which is due for a repot, which is my Anthurium Wonder Boy mixed with Michelle. So this one is out for a repot, which maybe I will do today. We'll see in a bit. But since this one is out, I'm thinking if this one can go in the cabinet because of that. A few of my friends do have this plant and it's doing good for them, I believe. So that also gave me some confidence that I should get this plant. It is a wish list plant for sure, because it is actually not easily available. There are very few sellers and it does become expensive. Like till now, whatever listings I saw were very expensive. This one wasn't actually, and maybe that's something to do with the fact that it's a bit damaged. But like I said, my selection totally fine with that because of the cost I was getting it at. I know I won't find it in that cost later otherwise. So yes, that's it. I will now take it to the sink. I'm gonna spray it with my custom DIY pest mix, which is neem oil, some medicated alcohol, and some soap water. That's a mix I use. I'm gonna spray that on this, and yes, we'll place it in its spot. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much if you joined me in this video and watched it till the end. If you were new here and you watched this video, thank you so much. It means a lot. And if you were a return viewer, it means even a lot more. Do hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel, and do hit the notification bell so you know the next time I upload a video. And just want to say it's very important for me to have you guys here and watch the videos. So do give me your feedback if there's anything in specific that I should be doing which you guys would like to watch. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.